Let's be real. You've tried to budget. You've made a spreadsheet. You've told yourself, this time I'll be disciplined. And yet, 2 weeks later, you're broke again and wondering where it all went. Here's the truth no one tells you. You're not failing budgeting. Budgeting is failing you. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest budgeting mistakes that are keeping normal people broke and exactly how to fix them. Hey, you're watching Normal People Finance, the no BS channel for people who want to get their money right without shame, spreadsheets, or scammy gurus. We keep things simple, honest, and actually useful, whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or just tired of guessing. If that sounds good, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. All right, let's get into it. Have you ever made a budget that felt more like a punishment than a plan? You cut out everything. No coffee, no takeout, no fun. This is your Get Serious month. And then, it all collapses by day 5. That's what I call monk budgeting, trying to live like a saint until you break and binge spend your way back to zero. Dr. Brad Klontz, a psychologist and certified financial planner, explains, if your financial plan creates a sense of deprivation, your brain will eventually rebel. Here's how to fix it. Treat your budget like a meal plan. Mostly nutritious, but with some dessert. Build in a fun money line. Even $25 a week can keep you sane and on track. Next up, mistake number 2. Budgeting based on who you want to be, not who you actually are. You say, I'll spend $300 on groceries. But last month, you spent $560, not counting the late-night DoorDash orders. Tiffany Aliche, also known as the Budgetnista, puts it simply, if your budget doesn't reflect your real life, it's just a wish list. So here's the fix. Go back 2 months. Look at your actual spending. Use an app like Rocket Money, Monarch, or Copilot to auto-categorize it for you. That's your baseline. Not your hopes, not your Pinterest dream life. Reality. Start there. Now, let's talk about mistake number 3. Forgetting that life happens. You've got a solid plan. Groceries, rent, subscriptions, all covered. Then, surprise, your car breaks down. Your friend's wedding needs a gift. Your dog needs an $800 vet visit. Your budget? Obliterated. But here's the thing. Unexpected expenses aren't unexpected. They're inevitable. We just treat them like emergencies because we forget to plan for them. Fix it by starting a Life Happens category in your budget. Set aside $50 a month for randomness. Even better, use sinking funds, separate savings buckets for things like car repairs, holiday gifts, medical bills, or annual fees. It's not about predicting the future, just expecting the unexpected. Now, mistake number 4. Thinking your budget is permanent. You made a budget last month. It worked, kinda. Now your rent went up. Your hours got cut. Your goals changed. But you're still trying to make the same old plan work? Your budget isn't a tattoo. It's a living document. It's supposed to change as your life changes. If it doesn't, that's when it stops working. So here's the fix. Pick one day a month, maybe payday, and do a 10-minute check-in. Ask yourself, did my expenses shift? Do I need to reallocate? Is my budget still realistic? Updating your budget isn't a failure, it's maintenance. Last but not least, mistake number 5, obsessing over every penny. Tracking every penny is exhausting. Every $3 coffee, every $8 lunch, every $1.29 app charge. You start out strong, then burnout hits, and you give up. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect precision. You just need focus. Use the 80-20 rule. Most of your money goes to a few categories: housing, food, and subscriptions. Tighten those, and you'll see results without logging every latte. Eventually, automate it. Tools like YNAB, Tiller, or Copilot can help once you're dialed in. So what's your next step? Right now, open your bank app. Look at last month's transactions. Write down the one category that shocked you the most. Groceries, Uber Eats, Amazon, that's your starting point. That's where your money is quietly disappearing. No guilt, just awareness. And that's the first real step toward taking control. Let's recap. Don't punish yourself. Your budget needs room for joy. Use real numbers, not guesses. Plan for chaos, because life is unpredictable. Adjust monthly, or your budget stops working. And focus on your biggest leaks, not every penny. You're not bad with money. You've just been handed broken tools. Let's change that, one smart move at a time. If this helped, drop a comment below and tell me which budgeting mistake hit home for you. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's tired of being broke for no good reason. Next time, we're diving into the 3 best investments if you're starting with just $100. No jargon, no fluff, just the smartest places to start.